don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 1. I'm joined by Chance and Nosipo.
Hola,
The best couple on the show.
Best couple. We give you the best, nothing but the best. Sibo, look, it was a difficult match. Sibo, we came in our numbers.
Yes.
We supported the guys.
Yes.
The guys deserve the best. They are the best in the country. They're distributing the best every week. They're the best we've ever seen.
Yes.
They're the best every day.
They're the best.
Every week.
Best.
Every 1 month.
Best.
Sibo, Sibo.
They're the best.
Sibo, that goal, yes. 90 minutes plus. It's Kawatile, Sibo. It's Kawatile. But Sibo, we're a bit young tall. But Sebatemba Fanavich, they've done it at Cairo.
Yes.
Semi-finals.
Yes.
They will do it again.
Yes.
But Sibo, I want to tell you, I'm a fans way too. They must not be discouraged. Maledrole. Our Fanavich, we know what they're capable of.
Yes.
We know what they will come up with. We're gonna have 2 of them
Next season.
next weekend, not
Next weekend.
Next weekend. We're gonna have 2 of them. Sibo, as it is in Ivala, Sibo, we're going to USA. As it is in Ivala, Sibo, would like to thank you as well. You've put us in a map.
Yes.
You have a best show in the country.
Thank you. Sibo.
Clap hands for that, my friend. Sibo, I'm not done, Sibo. I would like to thank Nama fans, the loyal fans of Sundowns. I come here every match, you know that.
Yes.
There are fans like Abo Long, Abo Mzege, Abo Mutu. There are so many. Abo Hasli, you know Sibo. Sibo, nabo siyababonga Sibo. Because this team le iyadinga thina manje ukuthi sicine as the fans, as the Sundowns. Because in fact we have a lot of criticism ukuthi team yethu asiyisupport, we don't have fans. They're saying this and that. But anyway, at the end of the season, we always give the result to the fans. Us, the fans, we always smile at the end of the season. But so I would like to thank Umutsepe and the Mamelodi Sundowns Kaufela, the fans. I would like to thank Umutsepe, the family yake, the management yoke Sundowns, our coaches wonke with Sundowns. They've made us the fans we are today. We are able to smile today. I know it's a 1-1 today. We are going to celebrate the whole night. You know why, Sibo? Not every team can reach the final. Like the way we did. Not every team. Bakhona bebafuna ukungena ku final. Baphi manje? Bakhona bebafuna le final baphi? Yes. So Sibo, let me tell you, Sundowns is the best team South Africa have ever produced. Ebafana Bafana is looking good because of Sundowns. Whether it's Sundowns today, badlala amateam PSL, nathi zidlala bathi bazama ukuthatha spotlight from us. But the hand of God was here. The hand of God was here. Sibo, let me tell you, Sibo, the more was on the Sundowns, the more God continues to bless us. Let me tell you something. Asithi manje sitetelele ngokuthi siyashaya why and stuff. Mabhebeza athi itakutetelela mabhebeza.
Mama. Usmayile mama.
Sebafika lana ne. Ngifuna ubona lama fans ay57. Yabona lama 57 bakhuluma ngabo. Bathi sina sinaba fans ay57. Ubona bona yangithola. Ngifuna ubona bona yangithola. Ngikhulumile ngoRibeiro. Sikhulumile ngoRibeiro. Sasirema Ribeiro uzodlala. It was a tough game, you understand? No, it was a tough game. I'm gonna give it to them. It was a tough game. It's not over, Sibo. It's not over, Sibo. It is not over. It's me now. Baba stick in the cup, but waste his cat. They say yes to the cup. What the store? What the Sibo, I've said this before. And I'm gonna say it again. Siyashaya, Telindugu, waya.